Alright guys, so you might have tried to download your 1688 from your Google Play, from your Play Store. Alright, you find out that 1688 cannot be found on your Google Play. 1688.com cannot be found on your 1688, cannot be found. Can you see it now? You can't find, but you can find Alibaba, Taobao, and the likes. Okay, so what do you do now? All you just need to do is to either go to your Chrome browser or go to your UC browser. Then you now type 1688.com. all right, you type 1688.com. then on your cancel this first. Then you see on the right hand side, on top of the app, the browser, you see this Chinese language here by the right hand side. Okay, at the top, you just click on it. All right, you click on it, and then you see this download. You see this download button, so you click on this. All right, so this is just how to download your 1688 app on your mobile phone.